Good afternoon, my name is Jennifer Dayana Celis. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Malaga. I'm studying the technology in civil work and construction management, and I'm part of a group 544 of the English course A2. So, what was I doing last Christmas? In my family, we love to eat the famous mute santanderiano. This dish is a very delicious soup that can be of two types, curd mute and cooked mute. To prepare this simple dish, you need the following ingredients: water, salt, parsley and cilantro, 1 medium or large carrot, 1 large onions, 1 cup of beans, half a pound of Creole potatoes, 1 pound of cook, a quarter of auyama, 1 pound of menudo, 1 pound of pork meat, and 1 ripe paprika. Preparing. First, wash the ingredients very well for well holding when cooking it and preparing the dish. In a pressure cooker, add some water to half of the cooker and put the meat, menudo, auyama, and beans so that cook well and soften. Once the ingredients start to boil and already, remove them and cook in small portions. Then add the back to the pot and add it to the cooked potatoes and paprika. The last two ingredients should be chopped properly. When all the ingredients are ready together, left to cook until they are their points and added to salt to taste. To finish, finally, chop the long onion, parsley and cilantro to add it to the meat once it's served. This dish can be accompanied by a portion of avocado according to the taste of the person. And that's all. That's how simple the Santander mute is prepared. It's a very delicious soup that can you eat and prepare as a family. I invite you to try it. I know you like it. Thank you.